my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers, and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Aman Creation. Dear lovely friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. Dear lovely friends, this video will be very helpful for you. And today I'm showing our all-hit trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most wearing and demanding crochet and hand-knitted halter neck top, crop top and square top designs. So dear friends, I must suggest you watch this video till the end. You will find an alternate ideas in our videos, so you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My dear lovely friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video and collection of my channel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Dear lovely friends, I will try my best to share the ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. So you can get ideas and take care of yourself with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous